offers this excellent advice. If we work on marble, it will perish. If we work on brass, time will efface it. If we work rear temples, they will crumble to dust. But if you work on men's immortal minds, if we imbue them with high principles of education, with just fear of God, love of their fellow man, we engrave on those tablets something which time cannot efface, and which will brighten and brighten to all eternity. We must remember that we are all in the position of changing lives by building something and affecting someone's life. There is always a person beside us who we can touch. Our fellow student, our co-teacher, our janitor, our security guard, our driver, our parents. We can influence them with the things that can outlast time. We can educate people timeless principles designed to help them achieve success, like hard work and integrity. When people learn things like this from both our lips as well as our lives, the effect is lasting. Remember what they say about education. If you want to have something that will last a day, plant flowers. Gusto mo magtanim ng halaman, mawawala din yan. If you want something that will last for years, plant trees. But if you want something that will last forever, plant ideas. Ngayon pa lang, magtanim tayo ng maraming mabubuting kaisipan. Magtanim tayo ng maraming mabuting at magagandang pag-iisip. And if may I add, as graduates of the Catholic and Dominican school, like St. Mary's Dominican School, plant godly ideas and share God's love. We